You gotta start this, Nate.
You're not gonna start?
No, you gotta start it.
Okay. Hey everyone, I'm Joe. No, hold on. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Joe.
We're both with BHG Blue Realty, and we have an awesome video for you today.
We're gonna be talking about real estate investing and how you can invest right now, anybody watching this video, based on your budget and put your money to work for you.
So say you only have $5,000 to invest. What I would do is buy tax liens. Basically, that's where the owner of the property owes quite a bit of money on that property. So you step in, you purchase that, what's owed on it, and then you collect what is owed and interest whenever that property sells.
I love the idea of purchasing a cheaper property that'll go just conventional, whether it be like a small duplex or a single family, living in it 1 year, using the $5,000, getting closing costs covered, living in it 1 year, then moving out and turning that into a rental. I just feel like getting started, that could be less stress for somebody. They can get in there, fix it up at their own pace, and then move out.
So what about with 10,000?
10,000? To be honest with you, I would do it with a nicer property, and at that point, I would probably move to a duplex. Me personally, I love multifamily, so I would get, 10,000. You could probably get like $180,000, $200,000 duplex on a primary conventional loan. I would live in one side, rent out the other. Not only are you living almost mortgage free, or for a lot less than you would renting anywhere else. You do that, again, the rule is you have to be there 1 year, then I would get up, leave, and do it again.
So now for the big money. What would you do with 30,000? Because what I would do is a fix and flip, kind of live in there for a year. What about you?
All right, 30K, and again, I'm biased here because I really like multifamily. It's like that's where I always kind of go to. So
we're talking about like duplex or eightplex?
Duplex or up. So if I have 30K, again, I'm picturing husband and wife with a kid, right? Or just a single guy. I'm thinking go primary if possible and get like a quad. Getting a nice quad, so that's 4 units. You can still get a primary loan. It's 1 to 4 units.
Yeah.
You can get a primary loan. If I can find a good deal doing that, that's what I'm going to do. If not, I'm going to start going into kind of the next scale of multifamily. I want an 8-plex, 8 to 16 units.
Start going with mid-rise, something like that.
I'd say B- level properties at this point. Something you can add some value to and get some forced appreciation in. That's what I would do at that point. What would you do with a large amount like 50K?
I'd probably use the BRRRR method.
Okay.
The David Green method from Bigger Pockets, where you're gonna buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat.
Okay.
So you're gonna start building up kind of your coffers.
Yeah.
Really, you're trying to get money in. So you're gonna buy a property that you can add value into. So you're gonna rehab it. That's whenever you're actually adding the value. Then you're gonna get a tenant in there that's paying that mortgage payment.
Right.
You probably paid next to nothing for that property. But once you put all that value in and you have that tenant, you're gonna refinance for that lower interest rate, cash out, boom, use that cash out money, go do another one.
Absolutely. I love that.
So I know we've thrown a lot at you, but just to recap, my favorite method is the BRRRR method. The buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat.
Okay, and my favorite method is going to be the house hack. That's going to be using the low money down options, 5 and 10K, to buy a small multifamily, duplex, triplex, or a quad, living in one and renting out the other.
We appreciate you tuning in. I know it's a little bit longer than normal, but I hope you got some value out of this, and we'll see you next time.